Robbins and Uribe drive the route themselves, measuring the miles from the truck stop to Gene Moore's house to the ravine where Sullivan's car was found. The mileage came out exact, so we knew the exact route.
Doggy, hey? Looking for more food on the floor.
Now have a solid circumstantial case against Gene Moore.
Say hello, Daddy.
He's given police strange and shifting stories.
Hello, Daddy.
Now, the missing 22 miles have been
Too
accounted
tired. Yeah, hello, Daddy. Yeah.
kill Walter Sullivan. Police believe Moore did it simply to avoid being audited. I had heard from other people that he had problems. He didn't like the government. An ugly situation that turned
Now what?
Police head to Moore's truck stop to arrest him.
Yeah, what are you going to play with now?
What's coming, and he bolts. He goes to his house, gets his got a rifle and a handgun, jumps in one of the fuel trucks there, and takes off. Police chase Moore down the highway.